Can corporate directors hide behind a company's legal registration to commit massive financial fraud and get away with it? Examiners love testing this exact statutory boundary under the Companies Act. Welcome to the Constitution Code. The celebrated case of Salomon versus Salomon established the bedrock of corporate law. The company is a separate legal entity. It has its own legal personality, completely distinct from its directors and shareholders. इसको हम कहते हैं कॉर्पोरेट वेल, यानी एक कानूनी पर्दा जो ओनर्स को कंपनी के एक्ट से हिफाजत देता है। बट यहाँ पे यूपीएससी कंपनी प्रोसिक्यूटर और स्पेशलिस्ट बैंकिंग एग्जाम्स रियल ट्विस्ट पूछते हैं, लिफ्टिंग द कॉर्पोरेट वेल. When the executive or the judicial framework finds that this corporate personality is being used as a mere sham for tax evasion, deliberate bank fraud, or to bypass statutory welfare obligations, the court will tear down this legal parda. It will completely disregard the separate entity status and hold the individual directors personally and criminally liable for the corporate crimes. For a descriptive mains answers, you must cite two absolute landmark precedent. First, Daimler Company Limited versus Continental Tire Company for determining the enemy character of a company during wartime. And second, the iconic Vodafone International Holdings case for setting the boundaries of legitimate tax planning versus fraudulent tax evasion. As a corporate prosecutor, mastering this piercing mechanism is how you break through the corporate structures to penalize defaulting shell companies. We are scanning one advanced legal mechanism like this every single night at 9 p.m. Hit that subscribe button to join the Constitution Code. Stop scanning outdated books and let's change the game. See you tomorrow.